Zoom to check in on Scott's Tots. Binging Entourage for the 100th time. Drinking a whole bunch of Blue Blast. Buying an inordinate number of magic kicks. Starting a family newsletter so he can talk about his kids. Trying to organize a group trip to Chili's because no one should be alone right now. Trying to put on a virtual improv show. Joining random Zoom meetings that aren't password protected. Starting a COVID-19 special task force with Dwight. Finally building Tube City. Starting a YouTube channel with Holly. Overwhelming his old coworkers with memes and chain Facebook posts. Throwing virtual themed parties at least once a week. Learning TikTok dances. Making daily Survivor Man-style videos about being in quarantine. Telling everyone he's doing MasterClass, even though he only watches the class trailers.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and like and comment down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video then.